Hi guys, so in this video we'll see how to upload an image in Angular. So I've created this project in StackBuild. So we'll start with the HTML first. So I have created one image. So URL I will give you in the component file. So we'll remove this one. I'll give URL. So I have one image URL here. So I will copy this one. Now I save it. So I got this one URL. Now I will add one upload option. So I will type here import type file and go with the ID, let's say img image. Then we need a event. So it won't change. I'm gonna call this one on select. In the argument I will as a $event. Okay, so on select is not there, so we will add this method in the component. Okay, this. So we will give the variable name. So I'm giving here event. So now you can see here we have a choose file option. So you can choose the file that you want to upload, but we will go with our custom button. So I will add one style here to make it none. Display none. I'll save it. Now in label, I'll create one label. So in label, I'm going to give for is our ID name, which is image, and here I'll give the name upload image. Right. Now I have some custom CSS for my button. Copy it, paste in here. Okay. So we need to make it good. So we'll create one container display flex direction. I will take column. So I want to put this inside the div. Here I will give class as container. Now I will cut this one, paste inside this div. Okay, it's going outside. Okay, let's see the CSS. Make it greater than 98. Okay, now it's fine. So now CSS part is fixed. Now I can click this one. It will show me all the files. But I need only the image part. Okay, so we'll go to a component file. Here we will write our onSelect method. So we'll first check event dot target dot files is array, so we'll check for first image. So I'm giving 0. Okay, now if file is there, we are going to read this one. We have where, so we'll define one variable, let's say reader. So new file reader. Now reader bottom we have some method reader. Okay. Read is data URL. So here we need to pass the file event.target.file 0. Now we have to call reader.onload. We use this function, fetch function, passing the argument as the event, giving the type any, using the fetch function. Now here we will assign the URL of the current image that we are going to upload. So we give as event dot sorry a tab target dot result. Okay, now this part is done. Now we're going to check our image. Okay, it's not loading. Let's check the method of here. Let's give change. I'll save it again. Now I will upload the image. Now it's uploading, right? Now I will upload another image. So here also it's uploading. But if I select the PDF, any other format, here we are getting this as a null. So it is not showing. So we handle this scenario as well. So I will check here before this one if I will give here one variable let file type I'm giving as event.target.file 0 dot type. Now here I'll check if it is matched with the image or not. So we have type dot match, and then we check with the image. So to use forward slash I have to give one backward slash, and for all the types I'm going to give star, and then one more forward slash. So it will check the type here. If it is a image type, then only it will do. So this is condition is closing here. So I will write one else condition to check. I will show one alert message. Let's save into alert, and here I will give message. Please select correct format, correct image format. Save it. Now I'll check. So we are getting please select correct image format. That's incorrect, right? So what else? So here you can see we are all type of file we are getting, but we only need image file. So we can do one thing in HTML file here. We can write, sorry, we can check for accept condition. So we are checking only for images, and we are checking all types, whether it is a PNG, JPG. So I will save it. Now I'll click on upload image. Okay, not coming. Oh, I added one extra. Okay, only image. Now I click upload image. Now I'm getting image only. But even if I select all files, if I select certificate, this is in a PDF format, I will get one in the alert. Please select correct image format. Right. So if I select all types, this one is JPG, this one is GIF format. So this is all supporting. This one is PNG. If I open this one, it's also selecting. This is another GIF image. So all is working. So one more thing, if you don't want go to the component file, if you want a certain types of format only, let's say you want only a JPG format only, you don't want a PNG or GIF, so you can give it here JPG. So when you click on upload, so if you click on PNG file, it says please select correct image format. Let's go with the PNG file. Here also we are getting same, and if I select another GIF format, same error I'm getting. But if I'm select a JPG file, JPG format, it is showing me uploaded image. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a great day.